Hey guys, Aaron here at Tint. I wanted to show you a project that we're working on. I have this 2024 GT4 RS. This car came in for a full paint protection. So it's got full hood, full fenders, doors, all of the carbon, wing. It's also got XPEL window tint. It's getting windshield skin. This car is getting every single thing that we offer. Ceramic coating, wheels, everything. So kind of wanted to just show you real quick what we're doing to it. I wanted to show you real quick on windshield skins. Some of these new windshields are really expensive to begin with, $2,000 or $3,000, but then they also have to be recalibrated, which makes the cost even more. So 1 or 2 rock chips can ruin a windshield. We have a film that we offer that goes on the exterior of the windshield that covers everything, goes all the way to the seam, that will help prevent any rock chips. So it has a self-healing top coat, the clarity is really good, prevents rock chips, scratches, all that good stuff. One of the other things that is really popular here at Tint is ceramic coatings. A lot of people think that this is snake oil, but I promise you it's not. Bottles like this are kind of spendy, but it is a liquid that goes on an applicator pad, and it goes on the exterior of the paint, which seals in all the little minor pores, makes it really hydrophobic, enhances the shine. This is becoming very popular on vehicles because people want less maintenance. They don't want to work on their car all the time, and this stuff provides a really high shine, which after every single car wash it looks like you just freshly waxed it. Also prevents dirt and grime and everything sticking from the paint. So ceramic coatings are very popular here at Tint.